This is how to mail your contacts in Ontraport handwritten cards. Under Thankster.com, in the middle tab here in integrations, we have a comprehensive guide that goes over all this and also has some of the information that you'll need to set this up. So you can go there and click on the guide if you're looking for something a little bit more in depth. It'll also help you set this up. It may be hard to do it from just the video alone. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to Thankster.com and set up a project. So this will be the actual handwritten message that contacts in Ontraport will receive in the mail. So you can create customized handwriting, you can add in merge tags, you can create your own logo, you can add in your company's logo or anything like that. Step 2 is in Ontraport, and you would add in a certain template into the messages button here. So you would go to new message, Ontramail, start from scratch. You would add in a block of text. You would choose one of these. I think this one's easiest. So you would delete all this default text, and then you would add in this template into that editor. And so some of this information you're going to need to replace. So the information on the top right here where it says Kevin Thomas ABC Company 245, you're going to want to change all that information to your own. And at the bottom right where it says Bronto, Timothy, Paul, and then emails at Thankster.com, you're going to want to change all that information too. What you see here in the center right is the information that's going to be repopulated with certain contact properties, and we're going to be using all this information to send out a handwritten card. So the next step in Ontraport is to configure a sequence. So in this, I already have a sequence set up. So you would create a sequence, you would go under rule, and there you would create certain conditions so that that template is sent out to a certain email address, and we specify the email address in the guide. So you can take a look at the guide and it'll tell you what email address to insert in here. But basically how it works is there's an action and a trigger. So when contacts are run through the sequence, they will meet certain criteria, and then right here where it says if this is true, so for example, I did contact has tag, and then let's say they have the tag Thankster, then what would happen is that message that you just saved here, that message will get sent to integratedrobot.zapier.com, and that's where Thankster will pick up that information and we'll have all the information to send that contact a handwritten card. And that's how you do it. So just to quickly overview, so you start by creating a project in Thankster, and that project includes the actual message that's going to be on the handwritten card. And then in Ontraport, you would add in a certain template into messages, and then you would create a sequence so that that message is sent out to a certain email address that we have in the guide every time that certain conditions are met. So that's it. Anytime those contacts trigger it, the template will be sent to that contact's mailing address, and that person will receive a handwritten card. Thank you. Bye.